Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tim, and this is an interlude in the typical Real Ideal Gear reviews. Today we're going to be revisiting a site that has received a lot of notoriety in our family especially. I received a sign in the mail memorializing this occasion, and I just want to share it with everybody. And so turn the camera around and take a look. Yes, sir. The kayak landing, January 2023. Shout out to Levi Brown, my stepson, for putting on a great effort, great show, for demonstrating the dangers of kayaking in the snow, especially when the house is at the bottom of the hill. Attaboy. All right, now that we have the kayak landing out of the way, today's goal is going to be getting the 60-inch Wright standard mower up and running, and then we're going to take it over to the garage, get it prepared for some early spring maintenance. And it looks like the beginning of March we'll be starting with spring leaf cleanups as soon as the weather breaks. So we're gonna get that fired up, give you a quick tour. Watch is the Casio Royale. You'll see that highlighted in this video. Let's get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. All right, let's get fired up. Okay, let's do this. Come on. I don't hear the injectors getting nothing. All right, time to charge it up. Let's do this. That's what happens when the mowing season ends on a snowstorm. Everything is scattered and frozen in spots I don't want it. There we go. Rock and roll. Okay. No red lights. All right, well, it didn't take a charge yesterday, so I had to charge it overnight. We're all fully charged. Now, we should be ready to roll. That's better. All right, let's see if it'll fire. All right, we're gonna check the temperature. Yeah, we're good. That's where you park a kayak. Yeah.